everybody! Welcome back to Radar and Jade Play How to Survive. Let's see what our buddy has to say. Ramon, if I remember. Ooh. How many islands are there? Okay. Oh no. What happens at night? No. Yes. Okay. We've already done that. Light his campfire. Go! Go campfire skill. You have to use a piece of flint.
I have flint.
Okay, go!
Wait.
Left button. Ignite.
Ignite person's grave.
There we go. What was that? What's that? Oh, you can light a torch.
I have a torch.
Okay.
I have a torch.
Now I have to manage a flashlight. Flashlight!
You received a flashlight.
Okay, let's go. I don't know how to use the flashlight, but thanks.
It's probably like in your inventory.
Oh, look at my bottom there. Okay, left button. We'll switch, right?
The LB.
Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that.
And I got a fire.
Yay!
I can burn some things.
Which way do we need to go now? Where are we going? Oh, are we supposed to talk to him again? What do you want, buddy? Just let us go. Yep. And come. Yes, I do understand. Thank you. Thank you. I would like to go now. Goodbye.
Oh, I can hit things with my torch.
Good luck with your problems.
Awesome.
Okay. Looks like we can we go up this way? Ow!
Oh,
we can't.
No.
Oh, wait. Use the machete to cut the bushes. So I guess you can get through it.
I'm burning.
That's not a machete. Oh, Jade.
The trees burn.
What's this? I'm going to pick up another wooden stick, just in case.
I can burn the bushes.
Alright, hang on. Which way are we going here?
We're going to the exclamation point.
I don't know if this is going to take us there. Wait, there's something over here.
They're
These
dead
are
people.
dead bodies. Oh, God.
Can I burn them?
I don't know. Are we going the right way?
I don't
have
know.
No idea. Oh, hang on. Let me cut through here. Anything in here? Take what? What am I taking? Oh, an axe. Strong melee weapon.
It's been taken.
What?
I think. Well, it's
Weapons.
something to build.
Do I have it?
No, it's like a building thing.
Oh. Okay.
It's like now you know how to build it.
Okay. Uh-oh, this looks like a dead end. I think we'll have to go back.
Can I burn it? No? Okay.
Why to change your current weapon?
There's an ostrich over there. Just random ostrich.
Oh, I see.
Out in the middle of nowhere.
It's interesting that these zombies leave it alone.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll keep winding our way. Can we get through there? Nope. Alright, we'll keep walking. I guess we went the wrong way.
Maybe we can burn down some more bushes.
Looks like burning bushes is an effective way. Oh God! Oh God!
Burn! Burn.
Wow, the burning works pretty good. Wow, you just light them all on fire there, don't you?
Burn, zombies!
You are out of control there. Wait, are those the vile creatures?
I don't know.
Oh yeah. Alright, come on. Those are the vile creatures! Get away, vile creatures! Oh God, I died. I'm dead again.
I can burn that at them.
The burning seems to work pretty well. Oh, revive me! Go back! Hit A! A to revive me! Yeah, I'm revived.
Burn, vile creature. And,
Oops.
and then we click that thing.
Whoops. We're trying. No. I saw him. Gotcha. Oh, your torch is working. Nice.
It's helping.
No! He blew out his torch. Alright, so we got a torch and a flashlight, so we
And
should
I
be doing
can burn things with my thing.
good. Okay.
But wait, I need to heal. I don't have healing stuff.
You don't? Alright, let me see.
Do you have?
No, that's a white plant.
No, I need healing stuff.
Okay, well, let's keep going. Let's see, which way do we need to go? Looks like we need to go backwards a little and to the left. So right up through here. This way.
I'm slow.
Okay,
Can't go fast.
I'll keep shining that at them.
Wait, there's something coming.
I'm doing my best. Keep them at bay.
My torch is out too, so.
That is terrible news. Hang on. Where are we? Okay, we gotta keep going this way. Alright, keep going.
Wait, don't go too fast.
Hang on. I gotta cut through these bushes. Just give me a second. Oh my gosh, so much work to do. Okay, we're through. You better get through here.
Wait,
Jade, I already made a path.
I don't have health. I need health.
You have a flashlight too. You could equip. I thought, maybe not.
Revive me.
All right,
I'm dead.
all right. Leave me alone. I'm reviving my buddy. There, yay!
I'm alive again.
That's good. We can revive each other. Uh-oh. My controller batteries are low. Where are you, Jade?
I don't know.
No, we're dead.
Okay.
No.
The night killed us.
Thanks for tuning in.